Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make bacon pasta. First, gather your ingredients to ensure a smooth cooking process. You'll need about 8 ounces of pasta, 6 slices of thick-cut bacon, 2 cloves of minced garlic, and a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes this easy recipe even simpler to follow. Let's get cooking. Now, let's get that delicious bacon cooking. Dice your 6 slices of bacon and cook them in a large skillet until they're perfectly crispy. Once done, remove the bacon, but leave about 2 tablespoons of that flavorful rendered fat in the pan. While the bacon cooks, boil your pasta until it's al dente, then drain it, reserving a 1/2 cup of the pasta water for later. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more delicious and easy recipes. Quick recommendation: after enjoying this amazing bacon pasta, you'll want to save any leftovers. Make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh. You can find the link to these and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. It's time to create our rich, creamy sauce. Add your 2 cloves of minced garlic to the skillet with the bacon fat and sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant. Then, toss in your cooked pasta. Stir in the 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese and a splash of the reserved pasta water. This combination will create a wonderfully smooth and flavorful sauce that coats every strand of pasta beautifully.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.